Hey, I need to go into the kitchen to get something. I wonder what Blue is getting. Who knows? Yes, my slime's ready. Now I just have to do this for orange and purple. Ha ha! You guys got a brain! I'll get you for this, Blue. Ah! Alright, be right back. Okay. Now where's that cup? Here it is. So I'm gonna put some slime in this cup. And then he will drink it. That will be amazing! Hey Blue, come here. I made you some green soup. In a cup? Wow, thank you. This was really nice for you. Go, 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 go. Ew, what was that blood? Hi, you got... Oh, he's dead.